So this is a rainy day in Sydney, and I'm walking to the bus station to get to the university. Need to look out for the car. Let's see if I can make it. It doesn't that heavy rain, but it's still rainy, and I think the temperature is around 5 degrees. So let's see if I can make it to the Olympic Park. This is where I wait for the bus. The 308 bus will take me to the train station. It will come in every 30 minutes, so I always need to be on time or I will late. Here it comes. I'm inside the bus. Looks nice and clean. After bus, I need to wait for the train on platform number 4 from Ladfern to Lidcombe station. This is what the train looks like. Enough seats and space. I arrived at Lidcombe. Next, I have to walk to platform number 0 and take another train to the Olympic Park station, where my university is located. I made it to the Olympic Park. Let's walk to the university. There it is, Western Sydney University Olympic Park branch. So this is my classroom for everyday class. Well, that is pretty much it for this video because I came way too early today. It's just 8 in the morning, but my class started at 9. So I need to wait for my teacher and my friends here. As you can see, no one comes yet. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to show you another 2 of my video. Thank you. See you.